Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix SrtTrail.txt log error in Windows. Alright, let's begin. If you can sign into Windows, open Windows Search, type reset this PC and open it. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now, then confirm by clicking Restart Now again. If you cannot sign in, force shut down your PC using the power button, then turn it back on. Repeat this process 3 times until the automatic repair screen appears. Select Advanced Options, then go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and Command Prompt. If Command Prompt is missing, select See Recovery Options first. In Command Prompt, type chkdsk /f /r, then C:, replacing C:, with your Windows drive letter if different, then press Enter. Wait for it to finish. Once it's done, click Continue to boot into Windows. That's it for this video. Thanks.